In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new audience in Mailchimp. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add a new contact into your Mailchimp audience step by step without getting lost in the interface. First, go ahead and log into your Mailchimp account using your usual credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical navigation menu there. Find the option labeled Audience and click on it. This section is where Mailchimp organizes all the people you can send campaigns to. After you click Audience, you'll be taken to a page that shows your existing contacts. This might look like a list of email addresses, or it may be empty if you're just getting started. Now, focus on the top right area of this page. There, you should see a button that says Add Contacts. Click that button, and a small menu will appear with three choices: Import Contacts, Add a Single Contact, and View All Integrations. For this tutorial, we're going to keep things simple and choose Add a Single Contact. Go ahead and click that option. Mailchimp will then load a new page with a form where you can enter details for one new person. On this page, you'll see multiple fields you can fill out. There's the email address, first name, last name, and a full address section which includes street address, address line 2, city, state or province or region, postal or zip code, and country. You'll also see optional fields for phone number, birthday, and company. While all of this information can be helpful for personalization and segmentation later, the only field that is absolutely required is the email address. Make sure you type this carefully, because this is what Mailchimp will use to send your campaigns. Once the email address is filled in, look for a checkbox that says, "This person gave me permission to email them." It's very important that you only check this box if the person truly agreed to receive emails from you, because Mailchimp has strict rules around consent and spam. When you're sure they've opted in, tick that checkbox. After you've entered the information you want and confirmed permission, scroll down to the bottom of the page. On the left side, you'll see a button labeled Add Contact. Click this button to save your new contact into your audience. If everything went well, you should see a confirmation message appear at the bottom of your screen, letting you know that the contact was successfully added to your audience. At that point, your new audience member is ready to receive campaigns from you in Mailchimp.